Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an underhand rolling activity. You are going to need a ball or a rolled up pair of socks, something you can roll on the ground. You're also going to need two targets. I have two empty water bottles.
I have two stuffed animals.
Okay, something small that you can use as a target. You have 1 minute to go get your supplies. Go. Hopefully you have something you can roll. If you found a wall, great. If not, it's okay. We're going to go over how to underhand roll. First, you're going to hold the ball in your dominant hand. That's the hand that you write with, okay? If you are right-handed, when you roll a ball, you're going to be stepping with your left foot. If you're left-handed, you'll be stepping with your right foot. So Coach Geneve is going to demonstrate. She's right-handed. She's going to hold the ball in her right hand. She's going to step and bend her knees with her left foot, and she's going to underhand roll it on the ground, okay? It should not be flying through the air. The ball should roll on the ground. Good. Go ahead and practice that for about a minute. Okay guys, good job practicing your underhand rolling form. Now we are going to both grab one of our targets. We're going to set our target by an empty wall. If you don't have an empty wall to put your target by, that's okay. You're going to step back 5 or 6 steps. You are going to remember that underhand rolling form, step with the opposite foot, get low and roll. You're going to be trying to knock down your target or hit your target with the ball. Okay, after you do it, you can set up your target again if you knock it over. Get your ball and keep practicing. You have 1 minute to practice rolling at a target. Go. good job practicing hitting one target. Now Coach Geneve has 2 targets. She's going to space them out by the wall. She's going to step back. Now she's trying to aim between her 2 targets. So she's going to step with the opposite foot, roll the ball. She made it between her 2 targets. If she wants to make it harder, she can scoot her 2 targets together. If you didn't make it between your 2 targets, it's okay. Keep trying. You can move them closer or farther apart, depending on what your skill level is. You have 1 minute to go practice. Go. Good job today, underhand rolling. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.